Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here for today's video. This video is a fun one. I am bringing you all along on a day in the life of the Holmes family. We are just having a fun family day together. We're getting a few projects done and checked off our list. We're going to share a yummy recipe with you guys and a little sneak peek behind the scenes of running our small business. So I hope you enjoy and love it, and hit that subscribe button. It is Saturday morning. Chad and I are going to enjoy a cup of coffee, have some breakfast with the kids, and just take it easy this morning. We're coming off of a really busy week, so we're going to try to take it slow and play a little bit, and then we'll just see where the day takes us. So the boys and I have decided to make some banana oat muffins. We had 2 ripe bananas that we needed to do something with, and this was just the perfect activity while their little sissy is taking a nap. So we have everything pre-measured and ready to go just to make this a quick and easy process. I will definitely link the recipe below for all of you. We've got our mashed bananas here with some applesauce.
Applesauce and cinnamon.
Well, yep, down here we've got cinnamon. What else do we have?
Chocolate oil.
Nope, this is our flax egg. So we're gonna make our muffins vegan so that our little girl can have them as well. So this is just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water.
And we've got oats.
We've got oats. How's that smell, T?
Nummy.
Nummy. We've got cinnamon.
Smells like applesauce.
We've got some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. We have brown sugar. And then we've got whole wheat flour. So we're gonna just mix everything together, stir it up, and smell it, apparently. He's our smeller. He likes to smell everything.
Me too.
So we're gonna mix it all up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it ready. Don't worry, we're the only ones eating these. We're not passing these out to anybody else and spreading all of our smelling germs.
Yes,
Okay, can you go ahead and dump this in here, buddy? Good job.
I dump some.
You sure can. You want to do the oats? Or you want to do the cinnamon? Okay, hold on. Make sure it goes all the way in. Good job.
Oats.
We'll do oats. Okay, hold on, T. Oats. Hold on to the bowl. Good job. You want to do these? There's our baking soda and salt and baking powder.
Some of those stuff.
Okay, gentle, gentle. Good job. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this one out. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay. All right. So.
Good job, Mom.
Thanks, babe. You did a good job. We're just gonna go ahead and mix everything up. Here, buddy, why don't I move all the bowls out of the way? So my favorite baking with young kiddos hack is to go ahead and pre-measure all of the ingredients and then have the kids come in and help me dump everything into one bowl and mix it all up, which is the part that they're really excited about. If I'm just baking with my 5-year-old, then I will go ahead and have him help me measure everything and use that as a learning opportunity. But when I have more than one kiddo around that wants to help, it definitely makes this process a lot more enjoyable, less chaotic, and less messy. Good job. I'll take the bowl, silly.
That would be yummy.
Can you guys give the camera a thumbs up?
And if you like this after we do it, you can add a thumbs up. And eat some separate Nikki. And if you make them, you can eat some. They're so delicious. Yeah, I tried them one time, and so my friend named Gray.
Oh, and they like them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, you've heard it from the 5-year-old. These are so yummy. We're going to go ahead and get them in the oven so they can start baking so we can have a yummy afternoon treat.
Okay, so I'm 5 and that my brother Theo is 3 and I'm Luca.
And you're Luca. Yep. The boys convinced me to add a few chocolate chunks in at the last minute, so we stirred some of those in, and these are ready to go in the oven at 400 degrees. One thing I did forget to mention earlier is that the recipe does call for vanilla extract, but we are out, so we're just making do with what we have. They're going to be delicious nonetheless, so I'm going to go ahead and put these guys in, and I will show you the finished product when they're all done. While the muffins bake, the kiddos are having a little bit of quiet time, and I am getting some work done for House and Home. I am creating a template for some gift cards that we are going to add to our website. Okay, so I'm going to try and show this template to you guys. It's going to be hard. There's so many layers, but I'm really happy with how the first one turned out. We are going to be sending out an email to all of our email subscribers later today with this information that we now have e-gift cards, which I'm so excited about. So definitely go and subscribe to our email list at houseandhome.com, and you will get actually a coupon for your first purchase, and then you will just be in the know for all the things that we're doing and all of the updates and new arrivals. The muffins just got out of the oven. They look so yummy. We're gonna go get the boys so that they can have a taste. Now I am getting ready to package some orders. I'm up in our office. I've got a long list of orders that need to be shipped out, so I am going to get started on that now. Before these items get sanitized and packaged, I thought it would be fun to share them with you. These are just a few things that are going to be going out in the mail tomorrow. So this is our family favorite recipe book. I love it because it is sectioned off by type. If you saw our chocolate chip cookie video that we released a couple of videos back, then you saw this video, or I'm sorry, you saw this book featured on there, and it's just such a great one. I've got one for myself that I use all the time. It makes for such a great gift as well. We also have these candles going out. I love Sweetwater Decor candles. We've been working with this company for a long time now, and the burn time of these candles is so long, and they smell absolutely amazing. They're made out of soy. There's no harsh chemicals for you to breathe. Another order that we have ready here is our flowers tea towel. I love this tea towel so much. I think it is so beautiful. We've got this kitchen brush with the leather tie, and then 2 hobnail mugs. These are so popular and so beautiful. Orders are done for today, and we decided to go ahead and hang the laundry room sign that I've had for a while. I've been wanting to put up, and also the Be Kind banner. I thought it'd be so cute to put there on the bathroom door. So we have this little bookshelf that we got from IKEA a couple years ago, and it is in Mila's room. We had it on the wall, and I am trying to switch up her room a little bit, and so we're gonna paint it. So this is gonna be like an off-white, kind of like an ivory color, and Chad is just gonna spray it for me. It's something we thought we could just do real quick this weekend, and then I will work on her bedroom. We are kind of prepping it because she is turning 2 at the end of the month, and we wanted to just give her a little bit more of a big girl room, and we're gonna get her like a really big doll house to put in her room and a rug, and it's gonna be like so cute. I cannot wait. The little bookshelf turned out so cute. Chad is just killing it with my honey-do list, just checking everything off the list. We had the sweetest little helper. Mila was just watching her daddy paint. It was the cutest thing. I cannot believe that she is almost 2. It is just blowing my mind at how fast these little kiddos are growing. We love having a bonfire out back and roasting marshmallows and having s'mores. It's something that Chad and I have been doing ever since we were dating in 8th grade. It was just one of our favorite things to do together, and now we've kind of carried that on as a tradition for our family, and the kids absolutely love it. So the s'mores were delicious. It was such a fun little weekend activity, a little break in the day, and I totally recommend doing it with your family this weekend. We got Mila's dollhouse all hung up and put in her room. I can't wait to share this space with you guys, but we have a lot of work to do in here. Right now, this is the only cute corner, so I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of how it turned out and what it looks like, and just know that there's going to be a little bedroom renovation coming soon, so you'll get to see more of her bedroom. But this is just the perfect little bookshelf. She loves it so much. She calls it her little house, and I threw in a few house and home touches in there. I had to. I love our olive branch print and the little boxwood wreath. I think those were the perfect little pops of color. We decided to go ahead and have breakfast for dinner tonight because we are running so low on groceries, and this is what we had. So we're having hash browns with my favorite 2 seasonings, and we are having just some pork breakfast sausage links, and we'll have some fruit to go with it, but just a super simple, easy, yummy dinner, and everyone loved it. Okay friends, that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it gave you some inspiration or some ideas for what you and your family can do this weekend to stay busy and have some fun together. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so that you can get new weekly videos from our channel. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you soon.